Gold and silver prices have been rising significantly recently, so I decided to build a simple project using the Xiao ESP32-C6 that displays their current prices in USD on an e-paper display. The device connects to Wi-Fi, fetches data from an external API, and presents it in a clear and readable way. Thanks to the use of an e-paper display, power consumption is very low and the screen looks great. I'm using the Xiao ESP32-C6 that displays the current prices in USD on a 2.13-inch e-paper display in this project. If you are wondering how professionals create electronics without chaos and with maximum collaboration, the answer is Altium Develop. Imagine an environment where you eliminate the problem of manually emailing files to others, such as mechanical engineer for PCB verification, and start working in real time in one cloud. Altium Develop is an advanced professional central hub that integrates the PCB design tool with the broader ecosystem. With it, you can forget about the frustration and delays that come from constantly losing context and having to manually track corrections. To retrieve the data, I choose the goldapi.io service, which provides up-to-date precious metals prices in JSON format. Based on the sample JSON response in the documentation, we can see what data is available. In my project, I read 4 key values: the current metal price, the previous day's closing price, the lowest price of the day, and the highest price of the day. In the code, it looks like this. These values are later used to calculate the percentage change and to draw a visual indicator on the display. I also created a separate function where I define all the display interface elements. This function is responsible for drawing the header with the metal name, displaying the current price, calculating whether the price is going up or down, showing the percentage change, and a vertical indicator showing where the current price sits between the daily low and high. Thanks to this approach, the loop function remains simple and readable. It only needs to call the function and pass the current data. It's also important to remember that in the code you must provide your Wi-Fi network name and password, your own access token for the external API. Without this, the API connection will not work.